Tesla Cybertruck, very popular in recent years. In addition to the sci-fi appearance, its battery has also attracted much attention. According to Tesla official data, 4,680 battery for Tesla Cybertruck gives its pickup truck a range of 515 kilometers. 4,680 battery has a high energy density. Its capacity is 5 times that of 2,170 battery. It also has a longer service life, faster charging speed, and other advantages. So what will be the effect if we use the same 4,680 battery from Tesla Cybertruck as a power bank? Led with such curiosity, he bought this one. Also uses the 1,680 battery energy storage. Marasone P01 Max power bank. The biggest feature of this power bank is that it uses 4,680 battery. Therefore, it can have both large capacity and small size. Small bottles and cans of Coke size, but it has 25,000 mAh of power. That versus a traditional indicator light to show battery level. This power bank uses a screen digital display, make people feel more secure. There is a USB 2.0 output port on the body, a Type C port, and it comes with 2 Type-C charging cables. My actual measurement is, can support charging of Android and iPhone 15. That's the charging data. Supports up to 20.5 watts of output power. PT protocol supports 20 watts. Because the 4,680 battery is a car-grade battery, so its service life is a cycle that can reach 2,000 times. Even if you charge your phone once a day, this power bank can also be used for 30 years. Then I also disassembled the 4680 battery here. Its overall appearance, just like an enlarged version of a regular battery. Open the positive and negative poles. Its battery core adopts an all-pole design. The small ones you see now are tabs. Ordinary batteries only have the tabs. 4,680 battery has more than 200 tabs to reduce the internal resistance of the battery core. At the same time, the heating temperature is reduced and safety is ensured. After reading the introduction of this issue, what do you think of that uses 4,680 batteries, the Marasone P01 Max power bank? Welcome to communicate in the comment area.